When it comes to enhancing your home's curb appeal, few upgrades are as effective as new windows. Whether you're considering selling your home or simply want to update its appearance, window installation can have a significant impact. In Redmond, where the real estate market is competitive and homeowners take pride in their property's aesthetics, installing windows the right way can elevate the look of your home and increase its value. Proper window installation not only improves the function and energy efficiency of your windows but also plays a key role in boosting your home's curb appeal. Here's how investing in professional window installation can enhance your home's exterior. Fresh, updated look. The most immediate impact of new windows is the refreshed, modern look they provide. Old or outdated windows can make even the most charming homes look dull or neglected. Cracked, peeling paint, warped frames, or mismatched designs can detract from your home's beauty and turn away potential buyers or guests. On the other hand, new windows with clean, sleek designs instantly boost your home's exterior appearance, giving it a polished, updated look. Whether you choose a classic double-hung window, a contemporary casement style, or expansive picture windows, the right window design can transform your home. Proper window installation ensures that the new windows fit seamlessly with your home's architecture, providing a cohesive, stylish appearance that enhances your property's curb appeal. Increased natural light and views. One of the biggest benefits of replacing your windows is the ability to let more natural light into your home. Light-filled rooms are more inviting, creating a warm, welcoming atmosphere for both residents and visitors. When your new windows are properly installed, you can maximize the amount of natural light that enters your home, making both the interior and exterior of your home appear brighter and more spacious. In addition, strategically placed windows can frame beautiful views of your garden, neighborhood, or natural surroundings. This connection between your interior and the outdoors is an important feature that can make your home feel more open and airy. The right window installation allows for better visibility and ensures that your home's exterior is highlighted beautifully by the natural light. Energy efficiency and comfort. Proper window installation does more than just improve the appearance of your home. It also boosts its energy efficiency, which can have a direct impact on curb appeal. Windows that are poorly installed can lead to drafts, air leaks, and energy loss, all of which make your home less comfortable and can increase your energy bills. When windows are installed correctly, they help to regulate the temperature inside your home, keeping it warmer in the winter and cooler in the summer. New windows with energy-efficient features, such as double or triple glazing, low-E coatings, and insulated frames, offer superior thermal performance, which not only improves your home's comfort but also helps to reduce your carbon footprint. An energy-efficient home is an attractive selling point, as prospective buyers often look for homes that offer lower long-term energy costs. Proper window installation ensures that your home is both beautiful and functional, giving you an edge in a competitive real estate market in Redmond. Enhanced architectural style. Windows are a central feature of your home's architecture. Whether you live in a classic craftsman, a modern townhouse, or a traditional colonial, the style and design of your windows can make a significant difference in the overall look of your home. The right window installation enhances your home's architectural style, highlighting its unique features and elevating its design. For example, if you live in a modern home, large, floor-to-ceiling windows or sleek casement windows can complement the clean lines and open spaces of your property. If your home has a traditional style, classic double-hung windows with wooden frames can add elegance and charm. Proper window installation ensures that your windows complement your home's existing style, creating a balanced and harmonious look. Increased property value. New, professionally installed windows can significantly increase your home's value. If you're planning to sell your home, prospective buyers will appreciate the fresh look and the practical benefits that new windows offer. In Redmond, where homebuyers are looking for both aesthetics and energy efficiency, updated windows provide an attractive feature that can set your home apart from others on the market. Homes with new windows not only look better but are also more energy efficient and secure, which are both major selling points. In fact, studies show that homeowners can recoup a significant portion of the cost of window replacement in the form of increased property value. Proper installation ensures that your investment in new windows pays off in both the short and long term. Improved security and safety. While curb appeal is primarily about appearance, safety is another crucial factor that windows contribute to. Proper window installation enhances the security of your home by ensuring that your windows are securely fitted and sealed. Modern windows often come with advanced locking systems and impact-resistant glass, providing an extra layer of protection against break-ins. By replacing old, easily compromised windows with new, secure ones, you not only enhance the appearance of your home but also improve its safety, which is an important consideration for any homeowner. This added peace of mind can be a major factor for prospective buyers when considering a home's appeal and value. Low maintenance for long-term beauty. Proper window installation also ensures that your windows will require minimal maintenance over time. Many modern windows are designed to be low maintenance, with materials that resist fading, warping, and peeling. Vinyl and fiberglass frames, for example, require little upkeep compared to traditional wooden frames that may need regular painting and sealing. By opting for windows that are easy to maintain and built to last, you can enjoy the beauty and benefits of your new windows without worrying about constant repairs or maintenance. This long-term durability and ease of care contribute to your home's overall curb appeal, ensuring it remains beautiful and functional for years to come. Conclusion. Proper window installation is one of the most impactful home improvements you can make to boost your home's curb appeal in Redmond. Not only do new, well-installed windows enhance your home's exterior beauty, but they also improve energy efficiency, security, and comfort. By choosing the right window style and ensuring professional installation, you can enjoy both immediate aesthetic benefits and long-term value, whether you're enhancing your home for personal enjoyment or preparing it for resale. Investing in high-quality windows and proper installation is a smart way to elevate your home's appeal and increase its market value.